Hi all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afroz. I'm a professional makeup artist based out of Bangalore. Today's video is going to be about this most trending makeup look which is on internet these days. Stay tuned to know how this makeup look is created. Starting with the moisturizer, this is called You to the People Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. This is a cream based moisturizer but suits so perfectly on my skin, doesn't feel heavy at all, and it gets absorbed really quickly on the skin. Especially, since it's winters now, this has been suiting my skin so well and keeping my skin well hydrated. It takes no time to get absorbed in the skin and doesn't feel heavy on the skin at all. You will see this is not giving any shiny effect on the skin, and it is not even very matte on the skin, perfectly balancing the skin and making the skin look healthy now. Using this foundation from Makeup Forever HD Skin. This is a medium coverage foundation which gives a very sheer effect on the skin. Since that my acne marks have reduced a little bit, I'm able to use this foundation. Otherwise, whenever I have heavy acne marks on skin, I avoid it because of the medium coverage it has. And yes, I did get my hair colored, guys. How does this look now? I'm loving this color. I'm enjoying this new color on my hair, and it's giving me a complete different look, which I'm very happy about. Let me know how do you like this color, or does it suit me or no. I think this is one foundation which I'll never stop buying again and again and restock in my makeup kit, or never get bored of it. I just love the way this settles on the skin, giving a very sheen effect, and that satin looking skin, healthy looking skin. This foundation is perfect for all those effects. And yes, it is very long lasting as well. Using color corrector but very less in quantity. This is from Huda Beauty 4 filter. I've taken very less amount of the color corrector because I don't see too much darkness under my eye, but I need a really brightened under eye today for today's makeup. With whatever is left on the brush, I'm taking over the eyelid. Concealer from Natasha Denona. Filling my brows using Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Setting the base using the Laura Mercier setting powder. Let me go back and check if there are any crease formation here under the eye. The bronzer is from Tarte Glamazon Cheek Palette. I'm using the blush also from the same palette. The best part of this bronzer is that it has a little shimmer in it. It's not too matte, so it helps bring that little glow on the face and make your face look a little radiant without even a highlighter. For the eyes today, I'll be using this eyeshadow palette from Makeup by Mario. This is called Master Mattes the Neutral Palette. I'll be taking this shade from here, running this over my crease. Actually, I'll be taking a bit of this color as well, mixing both of them and taking that on the crease. Mixing both the shades is helping me to get that, the shade I wanted here on the eye crease. You can either leave your eyes just the way it is now. It looks really beautiful this way also, but I like to build it up a little bit. So going in with this shade from here. This eye makeup is very inspired by Makeup by Mario. I'm taking this shade on my eyelid from the inner corner till this point here. Going back to my blending brush, I'll be blending these two shades here now on the outer corner. Using the gel pencil, I'll be drawing a small wing in the outer corner of the eye. just to give that lifted look. Using the Kajal pencil from Makeup Forever, I'll be doing a tight line here. Using this shade from here on my pencil brush, I'll be taking this on the lower waterline. Mascara from Maybelline Sky High. I hope you're able to see how this eye makeup is making my eyes look big, elongated and beautiful. Let's take a close-up look. I'll be using a darker shade of lip liner on the outer end of my lip. And then using a MAC lipstick in the shade Whirl, majorly in the center of my lips, ending this with a lip gloss which is transparent. For more drama, I'm adding a little bit of a peach shade from Nude Lipsticks on the center of my lips. This is it guys, this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I know this can be a little bit too much for some of y'all. You can surely take the steps from this video and create your own makeup. Please do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button before you log off, and do subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and share this video with your friends and family. Please do show some more love to me guys. Until my next one,